Okay, so css.lint.float. This setting tells you to avoid using floats because floats lead to fragile CSS that is easy to break if one aspect of the layout changes. Now, floats are not useless, they're just very misunderstood. So, floats only have really one job to do, which is to allow text to wrap around some content, like an image, for example. Unfortunately, because you have CSS properties like clear both, a lot of designers and developers use floats to do the layout of their website or application. And that is a bad idea because floats are not meant for layout. They just have one single job to wrap text around a little bit of content, like an image or a div or something like that. So, should you completely avoid floats? No, not at all. Should you completely avoid using floats for layout? Yes, yes, you should. So, I don't think you should set a warning or an error on this one. I would just ignore this one. This is mostly because this setting is here just because floats are very misunderstood and misused.